The great outdoors, a place of adventure and exploration. We must be ready for whatever the wild throws at us. So are you fully prepared if things suddenly go wrong? Introducing the KEA Kit, the outdoor survival system with everything you need and nothing you don't to help you better prepare for all your outdoor ventures. The KEA Kit offers unmatched organisation, versatility and reliability, giving you the confidence to explore further. Hi, I'm Matt, the creator of the KEA Kit and an outdoor adventure guide here in New Zealand. I know firsthand how quickly things can go wrong in the outdoors and how important it is to be fully prepared. Outdoor preparation hasn't changed much over the years, with most options offering unorganised and poor quality gear that doesn't even cover the basic essentials. That's why I created the KEA Kit, because you should enjoy your adventures with the peace of mind that you're prepared for anything. The KEA Kit is built to go with you on any adventure, so we made it compact, durable and customisable. Whether it's a short hike or a multi-day adventure, the modular design allows you to take just what you need when you need it. Your gear is organised into the 5 pillars of outdoor survival: water, medical, shelter, fire and tools, giving you quick and easy access to everything you need at a moment's notice. The tough and water-resistant cases protect your gear against the elements and include over 30 items of just the most essential quality survival gear, curated by outdoor experts. Tend to wounds and bandage breaks with the multi-day first aid kit. Safely drink from any water source with our water filter straw. Shelter yourself against the elements or keep your gear dry with the durable rainfly tarp. And use the tools to repair your gear, find your way, signal help or start a fire. And if you need advice, our detailed first aid and survival guides will give you the knowledge required to respond to any situation. Following a year of development and testing, we have our manufacturers lined up and ready to go. All we need now is your support to make it happen. So don't leave your safety to chance. Help us make the outdoors safer for everyone. Back us now and always be prepared with the KEA Kit.
Hi, I'm David, founder of Noisy Clan. We want to build products that inspire people to play more music. We decided to start by designing a better music stand.
Let's face it, traditional stands are a drag. They're heavy and awkward, and they can be ouchy.
The source of our pain began in 1911 when Sir So-and-so, what's-his-name, patented the design for what we now know as the folding or portable music stand. If by folding you meant sort of, and if by portable you meant bulky, then this was the stand for you. But after 100 years of broken latches and bloody knuckles, the design team at Noisy Clan could take no more. Introducing WeStand, the world's lightest, most portable, super fast and functional stand for musicians on the go. Thanks to our patented design and carbon fiber locking legs, the WeStand weighs less than a bottle of water. It fits in your pocket, sets up in seconds, and is the only portable music stand that goes from tabletop to full standing height.
I spent years designing products for everyone else, from Apple to Audi. I know that a great design is only half the battle of launching a new product. The other half is manufacturing, but I assure you we are ready.
That's because we are already in small-scale production and can start mass production the instant this campaign blows past its goal.
Once our crowdfunding campaign closes, WeStand will begin shipping within 5 weeks. Thanks for watching. Check out WeStand and tell your friends about us. With your help, aspiring musicians can spend less time fiddling and more time playing.
We're so confident that you're going to love your WeStand that each one sold comes with a 3-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee.
toiletry bags. It's not something you think about all the time, but it's something that you need every time you travel.
We noticed toiletry bags on the market were like this one, a black hole, making it hard to find stuff, unsanitary, and a shampoo explosion ticking time bomb.
Or you could just travel with a Ziploc bag.
I mean, you can use whatever you've been using forever and it'll get you from A to B. My uncle used to use grocery bags instead of a suitcase. And I mean, it got the job done, I guess.
Toiletry bags are not new to us. We've literally sold tens of thousands of them, multiple Kickstarter projects, sold them all around the world. We've spent countless hours designing, researching, and testing the best way to travel with toiletries.
And we thought there had to be a better way to pack a ton of stuff while staying sanitary, organized, and compact.
Introducing the Explorer Max, a super versatile bag that packs it all while taking up a small footprint in your travel bag. Let's do a quick run through. What does it pack? It has 5 adaptable pockets to virtually pack any toiletry item. There's a dedicated toothbrush pocket to keep your toothbrush sanitary and separate from everything else. Electric toothbrushes fit great. 3 zippered pockets to organize your stuff like razors, deodorant, floss, makeup brushes, chapsticks, Q-tips, all that kind of stuff. It can be frustrating to have to buy travel size everything. It's nice to have a big pocket just to throw in bigger items like a hairbrush, contact solution, a larger electric shaver, or even a curling iron. So we did just that. We added a deeper, wider pocket. As much as we love being organized, sometimes it's nice just to have the option to have a big catch-all and keep stuff right at your fingertips. The Explorer Max comes with our new updated TSA compliant bag, so you can pack stuff like liquids and makeup for fast TSA scans and protect against shampoo and makeup explosions. Its new construction makes it more durable and water resistant, and the updated silicone hang strap allows you to easily hang it up anywhere in the bathroom. And if you want a little more organization, you can buy a second TSA bag, or even a third, because the TSA bags fit side by side in this big catch-all pocket, making it easy to set up everything when you arrive to your destination. No 2 trips are the same, and maybe you want to pack a little bit lighter. The Explorer toiletry bag comes in 3 sizes, the Max, the Plus, and the Slim, and we've updated all 3 of them. The Plus has 7 pockets to pack it all while staying compact. On the side of a Plus is a deep, smaller pocket that also comes with our new TSA bag. The Explorer Slim is perfect for traveling light and minimally. Tons of pockets for organization and a leak-proof pocket to fit stuff like our travel bottles. Keep all of your stuff organized and separate. We're using our tried and true Quarry Poly material, which was developed for our travel backpack system. So it's super durable, water resistant, and lightweight. And the touch and feel is just something so different and great. You'll love it the moment that you have your hands on this bag. Premium materials that are travel tested, and we offer a lifetime warranty that we stand behind. No matter what stuff you bring, it'll have a proper place and you can go anywhere fuss-free.
Hey friends, thanks for making it to the end of the video. This is actually our 6th Kickstarter campaign. We've fulfilled all of them on time, leaving tens of thousands of happy backers all around the world.
We have a golden sample and our manufacturer is standing by.
All right, all we need is for you to back this campaign to bring this project to life. We think the world of you guys as community has been incredible.
We put together some pledges below. Pick one that fits you best.
So, new feature alert, there's actually an add-on menu within Kickstarter now, which is great because then you can add an extra TSA bag, an extra toiletry bag, a bunch of different options down there for you.
We'd be so pumped if you back our campaign. We hope to send you a package soon.
Killed it!
All right.